My name is Mike Fink, and I'm the pre-owned sales manager here at Thompson Toyota. Today I'm going to tell you a little bit about our reconditioning process. Our vehicle reconditioning process is what we do to take a used car and we make it like new. Today we are featuring a 2019 Toyota 4Runner Limited. The first step is do a complete walk around, check the condition of tires, wheels, inside the vehicle, and note any repairs that may be needed. Next, the vehicle goes into our service center where a certified trained technician will review the vehicle.
This 4Runner today received a Toyota certified inspection. During that inspection, we go over all the crucial aspects of the vehicle. We inspect the tires, the brakes, the filtration systems, the electronics of the vehicle, and we also perform a Pennsylvania state inspection.
We look at basic specs set by Toyota, and we take the extra step and replace tires, replace brakes, and make sure that you are comfortable with your next pre-owned vehicle.
Vehicle reconditioning is an important process, and we need to ensure that the vehicles are in safe operating condition to be operated on the roads.
The vehicle will then go down to our detail center. Our detail center is a state-of-the-art facility. Not only do they clean vehicles, they'll repair any wheel damage, bumper damage, and much more. Once the vehicle arrives back to our lot, I will confirm it's ready for you. The importance of our reconditioning process is to give you the peace of mind that your next vehicle is reliable, safe, and looks good. Come check us out. We're happy to assist you with any questions that you have. Give us a call or stop in.